Hey y'all, and welcome back to As the Rooster Crows. So Joe is in Louisiana and I'm cooking for just me, and that is just way no fun. I like cooking for Joe. So I decided that I'll just make a chicken soup and or a chicken stew, something like that. No, it's going to be a chicken soup. And the first thing we're going to need is a whole chicken. And I'm just going to put that on to boil with some water. And chop up my veggies and put those in there. We're just going to use some celery, onion, and some garlic. So let's get started. I've had this chicken. I had it sitting out all day Friday while I was at work. And it was in the fridge yesterday. It is still frozen, solid. So I'm just going to put it in the pot as is and just get it boiling. It doesn't matter. I'm just going to pull the meat off the bone anyway. So you want to put enough water to just about cover the chicken. If you can get it covered, that's fine. If you leave a little sticking out, it doesn't matter. Then I'm going to put this on high, get it boiling, and then we're going to cut the vegetables up. The grocery stores are insane right now, and my celery is kind of limp, but we're going to make do because I'm not going to the grocery store and fighting all those people for celery or anything else. Okay, I'm going to add in my veggies. I'm also going to add a tablespoon of Creole seasoning or Cajun seasoning. Oh, it's getting me already. Also going to do a tablespoon of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, and a tablespoon of parsley flakes. I'm going to do about a tablespoon of minced garlic. Two bay leaves and some salt. Pepper. I think my batteries are running low. And we'll just give this a little stir. And let that get going. I woke up this morning and I could see out the window that it was snowing, but I had no idea that it was going to do this. The driveway was totally uncovered yesterday. Okay, it's starting to boil, so I'm going to turn it down to about medium low. also going to give it a quick stir. And put the lid back on. It's looking good. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this chicken out and debone it. It's falling apart. Well, I was going to take it out and debone it, but as soon as I went to pick it up, it just started falling apart. So I'm just going to leave it as it is, and I'm going to add more veggies, some potatoes and some carrots. For my carrots, I always use my potato peeler and just take off that first layer of skin. This knife is so good. Taste this broth and see what we got. Skim some of this grease off of it too. Use a little more salt. Let's skim some of this off. It'll be nice to have Joe back home though. I'm just ready to get rid of that house in Louisiana. Be done with it. I'll put this over the dog's food tonight. They'll love that. I guess after I do this, I'm going to let Chunky outside. Let him go play in the snow for a little while. He goes to work with me, so sometimes he'll go with me Monday because he needs a Lyme booster shot. So I've got this on medium. Cover it back up and let it cook for a little bit, and then I'll add the potatoes. This is cooked way down. So now I'm going to add the potatoes. Looks like Joe's going to be headed home Tuesday. So he should be here by Wednesday. They're shutting Louisiana down. So it looks like those taters soaked up some of that good old seasoning. So I'm going to put another tablespoon of Tony's in here. See what that does. Tastes good to me. Okay, y'all, my chicken soup is ready. Let's give it a try. Ooh, hot. It's good. It could use some more seasonings, like a little bit more salt, but I don't like to use too much salt. But you guys can adjust it the way you like it. But it's good. Wish I could have deboned it. There's just so much commotion going on today. Alright, y'all. Chicken soup. Let me know what you think if you make it. Thank you for watching. Joe will be back probably Wednesday.